everyone, welcome back to People's Way of Life. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to get views on YouTube even if you have 0 subscribers. Using YouTube SEO in 2025, these are the same tips I'm using right now as a small YouTuber with just a few hundred subscribers, but trust me, they work. All right, they truly work. So let's dive in. Number 1, what is YouTube SEO? YouTube SEO stands for search engine optimization, and YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. YouTube SEO means optimizing your content so people can find your videos. Even if you are brand new, and guess what, in 2025 YouTube is smarter than ever, so you have to be strategic with your titles, descriptions, and even what you say in your video. All right, so number 2 is your keywords. Keywords are still the king. All right, the first step is keywords. These are the words people are typing into YouTube search. Use tools like YouTube search bar. Start typing and look at the suggestions. Body or VidQ. This shows you what is trending and what is easy to rank for. Or use free keywords like Google Trend and keyword2.io. Put your main keyword like the title, the first 2 lines of your description, the tags. Even though YouTube says they are less important, they still help a lot. They still help a little. Tags still help a little. Number 3, optimizing your titles and your description. Your title should be clear and clickable. Example, your title should be clear and clickable. Example, my YouTube journey. Is wrong. Don't say my YouTube journey. Say how I got 1,000 views with 0 subscribers, step by step. Your description should include your keywords naturally and offer value. Also include timestamp, links, and a call to action like subscribe for more tips. Section 4, thumbnails and watch time. SEO gets people to find your videos, but a thumbnail gets them to click. Make sure your thumbnail is bright, bold, and easy to read. Use Canva or CapCut to design yours. Also, watch time matters. The longer people watch, the more YouTube will recommend your video. So hook them in the first 10 seconds and keep delivering value. I keep mentioning value. Keep delivering value. Bonus 5. SEO tips for 2025. Here are a few bonus tips that are working right now. Here are a few bonus tips that are working right now in 2025. Say your keywords out loud. YouTube listening to your video and audio for ranking. Use your hashtag. Use hashtags in your titles or description. Create playlists around your niche. Upload consistently. Even once a week is enough. Encourage engagement. Ask viewers to comment, like, or share. I know it's hard starting from 0. I'm still growing this channel myself, but the right SEO strategy, even small creators like us can get views and grow fast. So try these tips. Let me know in the comment which part of SEO do you struggle with most. I will reply and help out as much as I can. If this video helps you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner friendly YouTube tips. This is People's Way of Life, and I'm here to grow with you, one video at a time. Thank you for watching.